Welcome to MHC Truck Source, located in Kansas City, Kansas. Our goal here at MHC is to provide our customers with the best possible courtesy and on-time service. Now let's take a look at our newest unit. This 2014 Peterbilt 567 Day Cab is powered by a Cummins ISX15 engine that pushes 485 horsepower and is paired with an Eaton Fuller 8LL manual transmission. This truck is spec heavy with a double frame, full lockers, 13,000 pound front axles, and 46,000 pound rear axles. This truck has a 208 inch wheelbase, 391 rear gears, an air slide fifth wheel, and 24.5 inch aluminum wheels. Now let's check out the interior that is loaded with leather seats, a smart steering wheel, navigation, power locks, windows, and mirrors. This day cab can handle just about any vocation. Call 816-921-8600 for more information about this 2014 Peterbilt 567 Day Cab.